How deep the Father's love for us, how vast beyond all measure, that He should give His only Son to make a wretch His treasure. How great the pain of searing loss, the Father turns His face away, as wounds which mar the chosen one bring many sons to glory. Behold the man upon the cross, my sin upon His shoulders. Ashamed, I hear my mocking voice cry out among the scoffers. It was my sin that held Him there until it was accomplished. His dying breath has brought me life, and I know that it is finished. I will not boast in anything, no gifts, no power, no wisdom, but I will boast in Jesus Christ, His death and resurrection. Why should I gain from His reward? I cannot give an answer, but this I know with all my heart: His wounds have paid my ransom. Why should I gain from His reward? I cannot give an answer, but this I know with all my heart: His wounds have paid my ransom. Yes, this I know with all my heart: His wounds have paid my ransom. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that cover of How Deep the Father's Love for Us by Stuart Townend. I kind of borrowed from the Phil Wickham acoustic version that he put out on YouTube a while ago. But if you saw me using some chords in this cover that you didn't recognize, that's because this was an advanced guitar cover, which means I'm using advanced guitar chords. If you want to learn this arrangement, there's a link to a tutorial down in the description below. Also down there, you'll find a link to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you how to play even more of these advanced guitar chords that I just used. You can implement them into your own playing and level up your guitar playing. Become an advanced guitar player. It's that easy. So check that out in the description below. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.